Hi, Tiago here. Just dawned on me that I've not uploaded a video in a while. Decided to record this one. Although I didn't stop all we didn't stop doing airdrops. It just had to happen in the group. So we want to do Mavryk Network today. I've been doing it for a while, I think early this month, early March. When I joined, they had around 2,000 followers on Twitter, but now I think they should have a lot more. You should just quickly check to see how far they've grown over time. They have 62,000. Wow, so cool. I just stood on the sidelines. I think I did the early part and then decided to stay on sidelines to watch to see if things will change. So once you go to Mavryk, it's spelled mavryk.org. That's mavryk.org/testnet. You'd come to this page, and then first thing you need to do is to create a wallet by clicking Mavryk wallet. It takes you to this part. Then you can see remove from Chrome. Why you're seeing this is because I already added it to my extensions. So once you add yours, you'd see remove from Chrome as well. Or initially what you see is add to Chrome. Cool. So let's go back. So after doing that, you have to create, let me show you my own wallet. Cool, so this is my own wallet. This is basically every wallet. It's just like every wallet you use. You click on the save, you get a QR code and your wallet address. They have their own ecosystem, by the way, so this is not EVM or any other network you know or you've used before. So, and then you see send as well. You can send any amount you want. So this is the wallet you already know. They just have theirs. Cool, it shows I've done something on 14th March. I told you I started early. This was like sometime after I started this 14th March, and today is 31st March. So let's go back. So after setting up your wallet, then you're done with the first part. So I'm just gonna close this and then move on to the next thing. So we're done with this first part. Next is to get faucets. So faucets are test tokens. So instead of using actual funds to test your products, they'll give you test tokens. They're just like their tokens, but then they have no value. So all you have to do is to put your wallet address. This wallet address required here is not your EVM or any other wallet you use, or your Solana or whatever. It is this one here, your Mavryk wallet. This is the wallet they require. I think I should just highlight it. So this, it can't be highlighted. So all you have to do is click here, copy, and then you paste here, and then click request Mavryk. I have to wait for a while. Although it's been misbehaving, I've not used it for a while, but I saw a post they made. I think we should go to the Twitter about the Mavryk Network testnet tokens being available on Telegram. Only one thing can make them do that. That's if it fails. Okay. So kind of like to scroll down a bit. I cannot find it. Cannot find it here. Okay, scroll down a bit again. A bit more. I will attach the link to this video. I cannot find it apparently. Let's see, 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, cool. So this is how to get the faucet. Once you click here, it's going to take you to Telegram. This is the first time I'm trying this. I already copied the wallet address, Mavryk wallet address. So I'll just click on open Telegram desktop. Faucet request. I'm going to shift this to one side. Okay, so this is how to request faucet. Use the command /mvrk. I think this is wrong. /mvrk. Okay, yeah, there are 3 tokens. There's mvrk, there's mvn, and then there's USDT. So use that, then you paste immediately. That's after a space, you paste your wallet address, as you can see, and then you receive it. For example, let's do /mvrk, and then this is the wallet address. And cool. So after some time, expect this one is doing it wrongly. After some time, I will expect the faucet tokens to appear in my wallet. But that's that about getting faucets. Okay, so we're just going to close this and move on to the next thing. So we're done with the first one, we're done with the second one. We'll move on to the third one. So this is like an explorer, a blockchain explorer. So all you have to do is to see, for example, if I paste my wallet address and hit enter, it shows me my wallet address is a valid one, and then it shows every transaction you've done, your balances, DeFi tokens, DeFi transactions, reward assets, and all of that. You just see everything you've done on the network. This is the third one. We're left with 2, right? Then we come to equities. That's the fourth one. Here we'll try to buy properties with Mavryk. Of course, test tokens this time, but from what we are looking at, in the future you'll be able to buy properties on this platform with the actual tokens. So this place shows my wallet is connected, and you can see DeFi integration, testnet, all assets, and all of that. We'll go straight to how to buy. So newly listed, once you click view all, you can see newly listed tokens and all that. So to buy, I'll click on start investing. And then this is a list of all available properties. You can see Oceanfront, Queen Tower, North Texas, Bitcoin, blah blah blah, Hilton, Mars. All of these ones are the options, but some of them are not available. As you can see, there's coming soon. You can invest in gold, really massive. Then let's try out this Queen Tower. Okay, so all you have to do is just come here and buy. You can sell. Here you select the token you're using to buy. If you want to sell, you come here. This is having issues currently. Of course, it's testnet. So once it's working perfectly, you just come here and buy, and then sell as well. Do as many transactions. Personally, I'll do this every day. 2 days. I think every day I should be able to do it every day. And that's it about this. You can just buy, you can sell. Advanced trade. This is, oh wow, they have like charts here. Does it show I have any balance? No, it doesn't. How do I add balance? Okay, cool. I clicked on markets, shows. Okay, no, still 0 USDT. There's something that will be fixed. That's why it's testing it. You should be able to add. Cool. You should be able to add tokens to your balance. Right. Let's try this one. But we'll move on to the last one. Current price of this property is $100. It cannot be $100, except on testing like this one. Well, then we'll try to click on buy and sell, toggle buy and sell, but then they are not working. So we're just gonna skip and then move on to the next one or the last one. Then Mavryk Finance. That was the last one. There's like the DeFi ecosystem of Mavryk Network. What we'll have to do is supply, borrow, stake, and all of that. So I'll click on enter decentralized application. And cool, so this is the ecosystem. There's earn and borrow. You're just gonna click here. I'll take this to this part. Just gonna click here to show us where we'll earn and borrow. I've moved this too many times. So there's earn, there's borrow. When I click on earn, you can click supply assets to earn. So as you can see, I have I have 98 MVRK tokens, testnet tokens. So say I want to supply 5, I'll click on deposit. My wallet's gonna pop up. Once I click confirm, the transaction will be sent to the blockchain, and then as you can see, it's processing. All good, liquidity added. It means I've done it successfully. So you go back and do the same to borrow. Okay, so that's basically everything. Then you come to stake, and then you click on stake and do the same thing. So that's basically everything you need to. Okay, you have to add a figure. That's everything you need to do or you need to know about. That's everything you need to know about Mavryk testnet. You just have to do this as often as possible, and yeah, that's all. So I'll record another video pretty soon and drop it. So until then, see you in the next video.
Like and subscribe.